In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable customer accounts in Shopify. By the end, your store will have a clear login option so customers can sign in, create accounts, and check out faster. A small change that can make a big difference for repeat purchases and order tracking. First, open your Shopify admin. This is your store's command center, and everything we need lives here. Once you're in, head to Settings, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of the admin. Inside Settings, look for Customer Accounts. This is where Shopify centralizes all options related to how shoppers sign in and how their information is handled. Next, click Accounts in the online store and checkout area. This is the section that controls how the login experience shows up on your storefront. Think of it as the bridge between what your customers see and what you configure behind the scenes. Now, enable the login link in the header. Turning this on adds a visible login option right in your store's header, so customers can easily find it from any page. Depending on your theme, it might appear as a person icon or a text link that says log in. Either way, enabling this header link is the simplest way to make accounts accessible without redesigning your navigation. For the account type, select Classic Customer Accounts. This gives shoppers the traditional email and password experience they're familiar with: clean, reliable, and compatible with most themes out of the box. It's a great choice if you want a straightforward login and sign up flow without extra configuration. Once you've made these selections, click Save. This step confirms your changes and publishes them to your storefront. If you forget to save, nothing will change on the customer side, so it's always worth double checking that confirmation message. Finally, refresh your storefront to confirm everything is working. Open your online store in a new tab, reload the page, and look for the login icon or link in the header. It's typically at the top right, but exact placement depends on your theme. If you see it there, your customer accounts are enabled and ready for use. If it looks a bit different than expected, that's usually just your theme styling at work. It's normal for icons and text to vary slightly from theme to theme. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.